Most of the time, I'm not even working. I'm just helping people because I feel that I am too lucky. Sometimes it takes only one act of kindness and caring to change a person's life. My wish is to bring my heroes to the big screen, and many of them have already appeared in my films. I know that eventually I'll have to change my life and my career, but I've got a lot of good years left in me yet. I think, as a celebrity, we have to teach the young generation how to speak with the old generation. If there really is a God, then he really looks after me. I'm good for some things, bad for a lot of things. I never wanted to be the next Bruce Lee. I just wanted to be the first Jackie Chan. Do not let circumstances control you. You change your circumstances. The best fights are the ones we avoid. I only want my work to make people happy. If one does not attach himself to people and desires, never shall his heart be broken. But then, does he ever truly live? Being still and doing nothing are two completely different things. Why did I become Jackie Chan? Mostly because I work very hard. When people were sleeping, I was still training. I think every young child can learn through any martial art. They would then learn to respect their life, respect their parents, respect their country, and respect the whole world. When I look at young kids today, I just don't believe it. Parents take away the Game Boy and they're suicidal. They cannot take the pressure. I want to build up my philosophy. My philosophy with Kung Fu is to respect people. Now I am older. I understand we have to accept who we are. A lot of people ask me, when I do a stunt, Jackie, are you scared? Of course, I'm scared. I'm not Superman. After all those years in Asia, I don't have to do promotion anymore. We just release a Jackie Chan movie, and boom, people go. You don't get to do over parts or go back and change your path. Your life is decided by your character and the decisions you make in the moment. The world isn't that big, but it's not that small either, and connections between two human beings are always a little mystical. I allowed myself to be bullied because I was scared and didn't know how to defend myself. I was bullied until I prevented a new student from being bullied. By standing up for him, I learned to stand up for myself. When I was young, I trained a lot. I trained my mind. I trained my eyes, trained my thinking, how to help people. And it trained me how to deal with pressure. Life will knock us down, but we can choose to get back up. I want to make people laugh, and I want to try to encourage world peace. The action star's life is very short. Back in Asia, I can do whatever I want to do. I'm the producer. I'm the director. I can do so many things. But in Hollywood, anytime I present a script, they say, no. No. Rush Hour 3. Rush Hour 4. When I came to Hollywood, I spoke no English, except nobody bullied me. Every day, I had nothing to do except training in English to keep talking. I know I have to run 20 more minutes if I eat ice cream. Basically, I eat everything, but I just do more training. Pain is my daily routine. As long as I don't go to the hospital, it's nothing for me. Sometimes you think the movie is good and BOOM. Sometimes you think it's no good. BAAM. The movie business is a big gamble. You never know. We learn martial arts as helping weakness. You never fight for people to get hurt. You're always helping people